Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to choose an Elementor template. This is a fantastic way to speed up your website design process and give your pages a professional look without starting from scratch. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section on the left sidebar and select Add Page. This creates a new blank page for your website. After the page is created, you'll see an option to edit with Elementor. Click on that to launch the Elementor editor interface. Now you're in the Elementor editing canvas, which is where all the design magic happens. Look toward the middle of the panel, and you'll notice a gray folder icon. This is the Add Template button, and clicking it will open up the template library. This library is packed with pre-designed layouts that can save you hours of work. Once the template library panel opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. These include blocks, pages, and My Templates. The Blocks tab contains smaller sections like headers, footers, and content blocks. The Pages tab offers full page layouts, and My Templates is where any templates you've saved personally will appear. Browse through these options to find something that fits your vision. You can explore a variety of free built-in templates right away. However, if you want access to the full range of professionally designed templates, you can upgrade to Elementor Pro. The Pro version unlocks premium layouts that are often more advanced and visually stunning. As you browse, hover over a template thumbnail that catches your eye. You'll notice a magnifying glass icon appears. Click on that icon to preview the template in full detail. This preview gives you a complete view of the layout, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your page. If you're satisfied with what you see, simply click the Insert button at the top of the preview window. This action will load the entire template onto your page, complete with all its design elements and structure. From there, you can customize the text, images, and colors to match your brand. And that's it. You've successfully chosen and inserted an Elementor template into your WordPress page. This approach streamlines your workflow and ensures your site looks polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.